So our food is coming. I ordered nasi uduk.
Hello, explorers! Let's go! Welcome to my channel!
Hello guys, so we have arrived at Portland Airport and we are waiting for our lift. So Lyft is a competitor for Uber. It's so easy, you just need to use your app in your phone and they will coming. So it's like online taxi. Hello everyone, we are at Portland and the sky is so gloomy. Actually it's raining and we are at Indonesian restaurant.
But in America.
But we are in America.
Welcome to Wajan.
It's called Wajan. Wajan is wok. And then they have special food soto Betawi, which is like, I think it's Miska will like it. Oh no! Do you think Kawai will not like it?
She fell out.
Come on.
I don't think she will like it. She
Oh
was
no!
like, what?
Woo! Come on. Can you open it for me? Okay. They do. Okay, so we already sit, and this is this table has a cover of batik motif, which is traditional Indonesian motif for clothes, and there's a decoration of Jakarta that is called ondel-ondel. That is Betawi, a tribe in Jakarta. And then decoration for station at Jakarta. That is wayang. So we want to order food. They have a lot of yummy food here. Woohoo! Okay, I will order for Miska.
I hope there's tea.
Yes, okay. So our food is coming. I ordered nasi uduk. This one is coconut rice with a bunch of things. This is egg, tempeh, vegetables. I also have satay here with sambal. Sambal is this one. Fermented chopped chili and shallots. Miska has a special food, soto Betawi. Do you like it? And white rice on it. This is how soto Betawi is. It's a soup, curry soup, but Indonesian curry soup. Yep. And then Miska also has her favorite drink. Okay. Teh botol sosro. And I got bandrek. Bandrek is traditional drink. This one, ginger and spice herbal tonic. Okay. Selamat makan. Happy eating. Hello everyone. So this is our fourth day. So we have so many dirty laundry, and we decided to do laundry in the hotel facilities. Hi Miska. Miska is helping me doing laundry. So we already wash our clothes. It's very easy. You just need to put the detergent over here. If you forgot to bring your detergent, you can also buy it in the hotel. So we already done with washing, and then we want to dry our clothes. So our clothes is over there. I know that you cannot easily see it, but yeah, we need to run it up. So Miska, can you help me to pay for the machine?
Okay.
So after you select the selection, which one do you want? The hot one, the warm one, or I like high temperature because I want to make sure that everything is
Oh
dry.
my god.
So you need to put it over here.
Here?
One by one, please. Yes. Make sure, okay? Yes.
This coin looks cool.
That is a quarter, guys. So if you don't have quarter, you can go to receptionist and exchange your money to quarters. So don't worry about that. It's always nice to do laundry.
Are you ready for the last quarter in the world?
Let's go.
It literally says 2022.
2022?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. It's new coin then.
Are you ready?
And then push start, please. And then, can you see it? That's our clothes. Okay, we just need to set alarm and then we are going back to our room. And Miska has some snacks over here that she wants to eat. Bye-bye.
Boy, boy. Hello, everybody. It's me. I'm going to be open up this fat luggage. And there's a toy inside. Voila! It is a toy. Let's see how we open it. Oh, okay. It's a sloth! It's a sloth! That's cute. It's so cute, it's a sloth. Ah, that's cute. I heard that this packet is coming with a doll. So there's a doll inside. Oh, whoa, I am Sloppy. We all know that. Okay, let's open up her hat. See who is she. Wow, she has a curly hair. She has purple hair, Ma.
Wow, so cute.
Yes, she has green hair like you. Now. Okay, never mind. We're not supposed to open her clothes yet. So let's open her sloth claws because she's a sloth. She's a sloth. And then there is some accessories. Oh, look, there's instructions, but we don't need instructions because I already know what to do because I watched this before. It says blah 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 blah. If you want to read it, I don't want to. If you want to read it, pause the video. Okay, that's all. It says that if we wanna change her face, we need cold water. Okay, but we don't need cold water yet. What is this? It feels like it's a dress. Let's open it. Then let's open. It's a skirt. What? It's a skirt. It's a skirt. Okay then. Let's take off her sloth shoes, I guess. Yeah, it's her sloth shoes. Goodbye, sloth shoes. Eh. Oh, don't look at this. I will change. Look away. Look away. Okay, I'm kidding. She's wearing undies, so that's fun. That's fine. Let's dress her up. Oh, come on. There we go. Not big fan of it, but okay. I'm not a big fan of skirts. Is it too short for her? Let's put her shorts. I mean her t-shirt, her long sleeve off. Actually, I like this 5. Let's put her in here. She will be staring at you. Okay. This looks like PJ. Wow, look at that. Look at this. There's 2 sides, so this one doesn't. You can see. Let's see. I'm just gonna minimize this one. I feel like this one is the shoes. So let's open. Oh, okay. Oh, it's not the shoes. It's cuter. Look at this. It's a baby sloth. Wait, can you hold it? It will be cool if you can hold it. She holds it. Wow, she can hold it. Look at this. She can hold it. Or maybe not. This feels like it's an accessory. And it feels so small. How come this is a big thing? And oh! Look at this. It's a headband and some shoes. Let's put her headband on. Oh, looks so cute. Look at this. Let's just do. All right. Now we have the shoes. The shoes are so small. Of course, they're supposed to be small because they need to fit the Barbie doll. Look at the shoes. They're cute. All right. Now we have the very last one. I don't know what it's this. It feels like it's a surfboard. Okay, let's see. It is a surfboard. No, it's a calm. And it's a calm with this thingy. Don't know what's this. Oh wait, this is supposed to be the brush. Wait, this thingy over here, the sponge. We're supposed to get cold water and then rinse it around her face. Ah, I get it. Any more surprise? Hello? So, it is right. Wait, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So, we got the cold water. I hope it's cold enough. Let's see. I'm gonna see it. Oh, wait. It's not cold enough. Wait, it's going off. Wait, it's actually not going off. Oh man. Move your hand. Wait, let me try to It's not cold enough. No. I don't think we have cold water. Yeah, we don't have cold water. But I can brush her hair. So let's brush her hair first because it's too tangly. And that's all for the video. That's for all. Thank you for watching me unboxing this Barbie cutie reveal pet inside. I'll see you in the next board world. Thanks for watching. See you next time.